What are feature flag tools and how they help product managers? Are you a product manager aiming to streamline your product releases? Feature flag tools might be the perfect solution. Feature flags, also known as feature toggles, lets you turn features on or off in your product without redeploying code. Think of them as a light switch for your features, giving you full control. Here's how feature flags can help product managers. Controlled rollouts. Safely release features to a small group before a wider launch, minimizing risks. A/B testing. Test different versions of a feature to find the best performing option. Quick rollbacks. Instantly disable problematic features without affecting the whole product. Customization. Tailor experiences for specific user segments, boosting satisfaction. Continuous delivery. Release updates frequently without disrupting the user experience. Ready to make your product launches more agile and user-focused? Feature flag tools are the key. Visit Amoeboids.com to know more about product management.